Fundamentals of computer. A computer is an electronic device that processes the input data to generate the output information. Data is any word, number, image or sound which is entered by us as input in the computers. Information is the output given by the computer after the processing of the data. It is widely used in offices and for personal use throughout the world because they are fast and accurate. History of computer. Abacus. An abacus was the first mechanical calculating device invented by the Chinese 5,000 years ago to solve large mathematical operations. It consisted of a rectangular frame with vertical strings upon which wooden beads could slide up and down to do simple calculations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Generation of computer. First generation computers, 1945 to 1956. It was based on vacuum tubes technology. Second generation computers, 1956 to 1965. It was based on transistor technology. Third generation computers, 1965 to 1976. It was based on integrated circuits technology. Fourth generation computers, 1976 to present. It was based on large-scale integration, LST, and microprocessors. Fifth generation computers, 1989 to present. It is based on ultra-large-scale integrated circuits, ULC. Units of computer. Input unit. Input devices are used to give instructions to the computer. Example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Processing unit. Its main task is to process the data entered in the computer system by the input device. Example, CPU. Output unit. It consists of output devices that are used to see the information after the processing of the data. Example, monitor, printer, etc. Characteristics of computer. High speed. The computers work at very high speed. They take fractions of seconds to solve toughest of mathematical problems. Thus, computers can work very fast. More accurate. Computers are highly accurate. They do not make any mistakes. Calculations done by computers are correct only if the input data is correct. Good storage capacity. Computers have a memory unit, MU, alongside the CPU tower. It can store a very large amount of information in the hard disk. Hard disk is the primary storage and is in the form of a chip. The MU in the computer consists of 4 chips: RAM, ROM, CMOS and flash to store abundant data. Apart from this, other secondary storage devices such as CD, DVD, pen drive can also be used to store more data. Diligence. Unlike humans, computers can work for longer time without being tired or bored. Also, its performance remains same throughout without going down. Versatility. Computer is a multitasking device. It can perform many different tasks at the same time skillfully. Types of computer. Desktop. This type of computer is designed to be placed on a table or a desk. It is not portable. Desktop computers, also called personal computer, PC, are commonly found in homes, offices, schools, etc. Laptop. Laptops are smaller in size than desktop and are portable. They can be taken along anywhere because of its compact designing. It has a rechargeable battery that can be charged by electricity. Handheld computers. These are the smallest of the above two types of computers and are very comfortable to carry around because of their lightweight and handheld feature. Such computers are also known as tablets, palm tops, PPC, and pocket computers. Computers are essential in education, communication, and office management, reducing paperwork and enhancing learning. They enable online communication, process transactions in banks and post offices, and assist in creating high-quality media. Computers also manage railway ticketing, provide entertainment through games and movies, and facilitate online shopping.